Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to tell you about one share, that is Ruchi Soya, which was bought recently by Patanjali, has been rallied over 1700%, that is around 17 times in just 3 months. So I will be telling about this in detail in this video, so please watch this video till the end to know every information about this share, and should we buy it right now, or we should not buy it right now. So if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update on my latest video. So please watch this video till the end. So you are knowing that recently, just 3-4 months back, Patanjali has bought Ruchi Soya. Uh, Ruchi Soya is a company which manufacture edible oils. So I will be telling in detail what Ruchi Soya does. So please watch till end. So right now I am telling you about Ruchi Soya details. After that I will move towards its share price and should we buy it or not. So as per Wikipedia, Ruchi Soya is one of the largest manufacturer of edible oil in India. They have been acquired by Patanjali Ayurved in 2019, as I have already told you. This company is headquartered in Indore and was founded in 1986, and the company has presence all over worldwide. And the parent company is Patanjali Ayurved. Ruchi Soya Industry, through its subsidiaries, engages in the manufacture and sale of edible oils, vanaspati, bakery fats, and soya food primarily in India. So you can say it is a FMCG company. So it has a great chances to grow in near futures and in or you can say in long term also. So now let's move towards its share price. So this company is listed on Sensex as well as Nifty. So the current price of this share is 527.67. But now let me show you the price 5 days back. You can see it is increasing day by day. So 5 days back the price was 434, and now let me show you 1 month price. So you can see before 1 month the price was 219.5 rupees, and now it is 527. So it has increased 140% in 1 month. Now if I show you 6 month price, so it is not showing the 6 month price because it was listed in January 27th January only. So it was listed at price 17 rupees, and now the price has gone up to 527 rupees, and it is increasing day by day. It has more chances to increase in near future. So you can see how much this price has increased. It's around 30 times in just 5 months. In 3 months it is 1700%, yani 17 times. So in 3 months it has grown, in 5 months it has grown 30 times. So it's a good share, I would say, because it has been acquired by a good company, that is Patanjali, and in near future it will show more upward growth. So I would say you can buy this share, and I would recommend you to wait for some time if you are not able to buy it right now. In near future you may get a chance to buy it, because right now if I show you, uh, you can buy it or not. Let me show you. So this is my Zerodha account. So let me show you, you can buy it or not. So today, oh, so the current time is 6 p.m. So right now I cannot show you how many are bidding and how many are offering. So I will show you this in the next video. So for this video I have this much for you. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, then don't forget to share and comment on this video, and at last don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you.